Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are going to be making a Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream dump cake. So, and what you're going to need for this is 21-ounce can of strawberry pie filling, 1 box of cake mix. I got the yellow cake mix for this, and some salt, 1 stick of softened butter, and a can of the Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream. So let's put this together, put it in the oven for 350 for 45 minutes, and see how it all turns out. And I'm sure it will be good. So let's get going. I'll see you here in a few minutes. Okay guys, let's get this put together. First, we're going, whoops, I forgot to put the, you're going to want to put some cooking spray in your glass pan. This is a 3x13, and that's what you're going to want for this. So we'll put the cooking spray in there. So next thing we're going to do is take the strawberries and get them, the pie filling pulled out. Okay. We're just going to get this spread out. Okay, there we go. Good and spread out there. All right. All right. The next step is we're gonna put the cake mix over, and just kind of as evenly as you can put the cake mix in here. There we go. Okay, dump it on there, smooth out a little bit. Alright, next we'll take our 1 can of Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream soda. Open this up. If you haven't had some of this, especially if you like strawberry, you need to get that. So, and we'll just dump this on here. Alright, so there's our can. Now the next thing is we're going to put our butter on here and have it as even as we can. Alrighty, so there we go, guys. We are ready to put it in the oven. I got the oven preheated to 350, and I'm going to put it in there for about 45 minutes, 45 minutes, and then we shall give it a taste and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and let it then we'll give it a good taste test and see how it all turns out. So I'll see you guys here in about 45 minutes. Okay guys, look at this cake. It turned out really good. So well, it looks really good. It smelled good when it was cooking. So now, this this is again the Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream dump cake. So and I baked it for 45 minutes in a 350 Fahrenheit oven, and so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try, see how it turned out taste wise. Boy, I'll tell you, if it tastes as good as it smells, I am in for a treat here. So we'll just little piece off there. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this a try here. Gosh, this tastes so good, guys. Let me get the taste of that crust. Well, guys, this tastes really awesome, guys. Well, I came up with this recipe because my mom and I like to drink the Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream, and I'm like, well, I wonder if I can make a dump cake out of that. So I did, and boy, I'm glad I came up did here. So as you guys seen, really easy to make. Just put your ingredients in there, dump it out in the pan, put it in the oven for 45 minutes, 350 oven, and boy, you guys got yourself a dessert. Yeah, so alright guys, this was fun to make, fun to eat. I almost want to eat the whole thing right now. But I gotta save it. I'm planning on going to a little get together, and I'm gonna probably, and this is gonna be what I take. So don't want to eat too much more than what I already got here. So alright guys, this was the Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream dump cake. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Take time to comment below what you think. If you try it, let me know. Let me know how you like it. And well, guys, well, it's just really good. I got this almost speechless with just thinking about how good this is. I just want to hurry up and get done with this. Alright, well, I'm having way too much fun here. Okay, guys, so just leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about this. And I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. And I'm going to finish this up, this little bit up here, and then get this set up for taking it with me. And so, alright guys, I'll catch you later.